Again, hello. Thought I'd do some more burps for you guys, as got quite a fuckload of views. Well, not a fuckload, but it's getting there slowly. Here goes. How do you like them apples? Got my little friend here as well. Dr. Pepper can. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Pepper is sold in Australia. I love the stuff. Love it! I mean, I don't usually need soft drink to have a burp because I can do it pretty much on cue, but it does enhance it a little bit, so yeah. So at the moment, I'm just doing shit all. I got my nails done. Look at that. I did it myself, believe it or not. And it's so fucking good. Nah. I'm really... It's only mediocre, really. But I don't know if that even made sense. But oh well. Who gives a shit? Ow. Well, that was cute. That last little burp then. Tee. Oh, that was lame. Sorry. I just can't help myself. I want to do a loud one. I did it again. Whoopsies.
Wasp.
There we go. What else is there? Nothing. Nothing! Oh well. Wow, that was lame. That Belch was kind of lame. Hey! Who's this man? Oh, fuck. Oh shit. One of my besties is having a dilemma. I must go. But I'll be back.